Come all ye lads of higher nine, that will hear of a fair young maiden, and she roved out on a summer's day to view the soldiers parading. They marched so bold and they looked so gay, the colours flying and the bands they play. And it caused young Mary for to say, I'll wed you, me gallant soldier. She viewed the soldiers on parade as they stood at their leisure, and Mary to herself to say, at last I found my treasure. But oh how cruel my parents must be, to banish my darling so far from me. Well, I'll leave them all and I'll go with thee, me bold undaunted soldier. Oh Mary dear, your parents' love, I pray don't be unruly, for when you're in a foreign land, believe me you'll rue it surely. Perhaps in battle I might fall with a shot from an angry cannonball, and you so far from your daddy's hall, be advised by a gallant soldier. Well, I have 50 guineas in bright gold, likewise a heart that's bolder. I'll leave them all and I'll go with you, the bold and daunted soldier. But don't say no, but let me go, and I will face the daring foe, and we'll march together to and fro, and I'll wed you, me gallant soldier. And when he saw her loyalty and Mary so true-hearted, he said, my darling, married will be, nothing but death will part us. And when we're in a foreign land, I'll guard you, darling, with my right hand, in hopes that God might stand a friend to Mary and her gallant soldier. Mary and her gallant soldier.